Imagine if we could rebuild human bones by using a 3D printer. Most bone grafts currently used in orthopedic surgery include metal components, such as plates and screws. Professor Hala Zreiqat and her team were determined to come up with something better.
The material we developed were inspired by the composition of bone.
Just like metal, the material had to be strong to match the load-bearing ability of bones. But unlike metal, they wanted their material to actually encourage natural bone to grow. The synthetic material can be printed in any shape or size to fit a specific bone defect and is designed to degrade and disappear from the body once enough new bone is formed. Work on the project began in 2012. The breakthrough came when the material was shown to work in animals.
I do remember that moment, and right away I knew we were on something very, very big.
The remarkable innovation was made possible by Professor Zreiqat working at the interface of engineering and medicine. She's director of the Australian Research Centre for Innovative Bioengineering.
I have a one-stop shop because I have access to medicine, science, engineering, everything.
But her career in science almost didn't happen. After growing up in Bethlehem, she was keen to study interior design upon returning to her native Jordan.
To study interior design meant that my father had to sell lands and send me to England because we didn't have interior design at the time in Jordan. I didn't want him to spend more money, so I opted to go into science.
Her studies soon brought her to Australia, where she completed her PhD in orthopedic implants at UNSW. Since then, Professor Zreiqat has risen to become one of the most influential figures in Australian engineering. But she says finding success in the field as a woman is not easy.
I am so sad that it is the case. I even get emotional when I think of that. Clearly, there is a problem. And it's not getting any better at all. Trust me. I am in engineering and I know it's not getting any better at all.
She says Australia is at risk of losing out on the best talent unless our culture changes. That's a message she's keen to continue sharing as a new Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science.